Hi everyone, how are you today? So today I'm going to do an unboxing from the Collavorative company. It's like an organic company, I would think. I got this off of Facebook. They had this where you get a kit from them for free. I'm not a consultant or anything, and I don't get paid from them to do this, but it was a special that they were running. And then at the end, they'll add on special things to your order that will, for a few more cents or bucks. So that's what I did. I got a really great deal on this. So let's get in there and check it out. I am going to set it down on this chair so it's easier so we can see all the products. So we got the walnut scrubber sponge. Ooh, that's nice. There's 2 sponges in that. Collavorative, a better way to clean. 16-ounce spray bottle. It's inside here. Nice packaging, and it's glass. Nice. Here is Method Antibiotic Bathroom Cleaner. Cleaners and disinfects. Nice. Method Antibacterial Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Bonus. Glass and Surface Cleaner. Look at how big these bottles are. I'm like, wow. Laundry detergent. Ginger Mango. I gotta smell that. Smell it. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not going to unseal it. But I'm sure it smells wonderful. Myers Clean Day. Hardworking housekeeping. Clean Day. I don't know what you do with that yet. Oh, hand soap. Turn it around, Angie. You'll read it better. Sorry about that. Cleaning Essential Set. Orange and rosemary. So that's part of that. Hand lotion. Nice big bottles. I'm just so impressed. Oh. Yes. Do you ever remember cleaning with Comet? Remember that show, Mommy Dearest, where she had the kids clean with Comet? I clean with Comet all the time. Comet and bleach. Bond and Powder Cleanser. Cleans kitchens, bath, and other surfaces. Nice. And I got tissue. A box of tissue. And then it came with this awesome carrier that you could put all your cleaning products in. Cleaning caddy, it's called. I believe, oh no, there's more. Turn it around. Dish soap. Wow. So I personally think I added just 3 of the items to my list of the goodies and stuff, but I got all of this for under 20 bucks. That's right. And I've had this for a minute, and I just haven't gotten time to do an unboxing of it. So I am really excited to try in all this product. I can't believe how nice it is. And the size. that you get of the containers. For samples, I was expecting the little itty bitty, you know, smaller than this bottle. And I am very, very impressed with them. I definitely give, in the packing, immaculate. They did really good on the packing. I definitely give this company a thumbs up already, just by the product that they sent me and how they packed it and shipped it. I had it shipped to my house within less than 2 to 3 days from the date that I ordered it. So I can't wait to start using it in my home. So I had to show you guys the unboxing of all this, and I hope if you get time, go check out their site. I will leave a link below. I have nothing to do with this company, like I said. Sometimes when you see that stuff on Facebook and you check it out, you'll be amazed at what you get. So big hugs from my pantry to yours. God bless and have a wonderful day. Bye.